Okay, so now is this. Okay, I hope you guys are see full screen. Okay, so we are going to the artist who works. This Aaron Glaze. So I create my own characters, but I follow the artist. Like what type of drawing and what type of shading they are using for drawing. I follow that artist's work. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This what you said me, ma'am. You send me, ma'am, what painting is incomplete. We are complete. Try to make every weeks. Take one and complete it. Okay. So try to this is eyes. Sure. 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 Okay. Sure. So let's start few sketching of the animals. Okay. This is called some jungle peak kind of. So first make a circle. Okay. First step one, make a circle like simple like this. Yeah. Yeah. Nashu ma'am. Okay. So fine. So first, whatever I did over here, I'm করছি আস্তে আস্তে করতে থাকো কেমন প্রথমে একটা সার্কেল আঁকছি আমরা first make a circle like this. Okay. So after the circle we are creating here one more circle, like two circle over here, 1 and 2. Okay, like this, and then they join this two circle. Okay, 1 and 2 circle I join. ছোট একটা সার্কেল একদম বুঝতে না পারলে জিজ্ঞেস করতে হবে। Two circle, 1 circle and 2 circle. Okay. Fine. After the circle, I just create from here one line like this, 1, okay, and join this 2. This is a basic shape of the characters. Okay, that's very strong movement of the animals. Okay. So now after that the basic shape is done. When you are doing the basic shape, just try to modify. Yeah, just. ম্যাম এই যে লাইনটা না নিচের লাইনটা এটাকে এইভাবে জয়েন করে দাও এর সাথে জাস্ট লাইক দিস আমি এটাকে আরেকটুখানি ডাউন করতে পারি। ঠিক আছে, okay, fine. So now after that we are creating over here. Okay, খাবে চিকেন নেই এটা। Okay, this is so I can now I can modify this character. Okay. Okay. So now I modify this here. I make the tail over here like this. Okay. So this is actually this part. No. This part for leg and this part for the, okay, we can draw for the another leg, okay. Okay, so no. Okay, so now after that I just make it so here is one leg like this, 1 2 3, one part 2 3, here also I can make 1 2 3, like, okay, this is a part of, you can make the last part, the 2 legs, okay, one here, one here. This is a leg actually, okay. Today I am doing the movie called The Lion King. We are creating the character design from this movie. Okay. So now I create over here. Okay, the leg I create over here. After that, see, here is a nose line. This is a nose line, and here is the eyes line. This is the eyes line. Okay, this is nose line. This is the eyes line. Yeah, fine. So now ফাস্ট হয়ে যাবে, আপনার কত লাইন টেনেছি তো তুমিও করতে পারবে। হ্যাঁ, একবারে চেষ্টা করবে, আস্তে আস্তে হয়ে যাবে, 2-3টে ক্লাস করে তুমি হয়ে যাবে। সো নাও আই জাস্ট ক্রিয়েট here, right, this is the eyes line, no, this is the eyes line, this is nose line. অনেক থাকছে না এখানটা এসে। So now after that you can create okay, like this, eyes here, it is the eyes line. I can create one eyes over here, one eye is over here. Okay, there's 2 eyes, right, and after that I make this one line like this. Okay, this is one line I create this line. Okay, so suppose to if you draw the animal drawing, so you can see this you know, after eyes is top part is okay like this. Okay, these things, so you need that things, okay, like this. Okay, okay, fine. So we can create after that this 2 side here, okay, here and here 2 side, we make the teeth, okay, teeth like this, we make teeth 1, see, this is teeth, okay, here the same teeth I draw here. Okay, 2 teeth over here. This is here is a mouth. Okay, কটা খেয়ে নিন, একটা খেয়ে নিয়েছে, একটা you can do like this. Okay, make it, it's down, I make it one another lips. Okay, for upper lips is this, lower lips I draw what in down. Okay, like this. So this is actually make it, yeah, Okay. So here I can draw one bone. That bone, you can see this is a bone. Okay. To see this character, this both sides one bone. Okay. This is two bone. Okay, ma'am. This is two bone. So this bone I can draw over here. This two sides bone. Okay, you can draw here. One is this, and one is this. Just like this. Okay, so it is the mouth already done. Okay, so I explain how to draw, and here after the eyes, so nose, eyes and ear all is the same proportion. So here I can make the ear. Okay, like this. One ear. Here is one ear. Okay, you can create the ear. This is that this part, right? This is the lower lips, is upper lips. Two lips it is there. It's lower lips. Yes. Okay, so you can do like this. Okay. It is coming from this lip. Okay, so now I just make it here. This is especially sketching part. I draw this. The leg. First I make the leg very easy. Okay, drawing line, and now I make it the leg properly. Okay, first just make only this safe. Okay. Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. हाँ ma'am. Yes, ma'am. कोई क्ले है जो प्लास्टिक क्ले बोलते हैं, मतलब बच्चे के लिए ऐसा पूछेंगे, उसको पूछ सकते हो. ओके मैम, कोई भी अगर नहीं मिलेंगे तो आज क्या होगा ना, आज देखने के लिए बोलो. आप अगर ऑनलाइन में ज्वाइन हो जाओगे ना तो वो अमेजोन में इजीली मिल जाएगा, 2 दिन में आ जाएगा. हाँ नहीं, अच्छा एग्जैक्टली जो मैंने भेजा उसको आना लिख रहे हैं क्या? ठीक है, पक्का मैं बता दे रहा हूँ. So you can create like just slowly is coming the characters, how looks. Okay, this is the second legs I create here. Okay, like this. Okay, this is second leg. So now the another legs like this. Okay, another, so this is the back leg, the front leg. This is a front leg, and I can create one's back leg also. Same techniques, like this. 1, 2, and 3 like this. Okay, the same. The back leg. Okay, we are creating the back leg. Okay, anywhere not understood, ask me. Okay, I can answer. Okay, ma'am, কোথাও বুঝতে না পারলে আমাকে বলেন, সেখানে দেখাচ্ছি একবার. So now I can create just, okay, this is a very fast character. See, this is a movement. This is like a move. Okay, move forwards very fast. Okay, this character. Okay. So I'm slowly showing this. Okay, how to create the like easy sketching to the in detail drawing. Okay, this is I show you. Okay, so that's why I'm not showing fast very detailed. First I show some two sketching. Okay, and then we are going to you can erasing this part after that, okay, if you wish to. This movements characters of, okay. Okay, you can make some volume. This is a volume, something creating. Like this. Randomly sketching, can put something here like this. Okay, like this. So you can create some